Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Today here in South Texas, a little more sun, a little less wind, and temperatures in the 80s. We've backed off from that a little bit, but it's 75 in Ingleside, I should say, 71 in Port Aransas, and you can see the difference here on area beaches. It's only in the low to mid 70s, while it's still 91 in Falfurrias and out here at Cotulla. So inland, very warm, by about 20 degrees warmer than in those area beaches. So if you are planning to go to Padre or Mustang Island for spring break, it is going to be definitely cooler because the seawater temperature is only 69 degrees. All right, here's a look at the winds. They are blowing right now southeasterly at 22. This will promote, again, high humidity, and that'll bring in some sea fog tonight, but it won't be as bad as it was last night because there's going to be a little more wind. The dew point temperatures are up in the 60s now, going from muggy to oppressive here later this week. Visibility right now is 7 miles in Rockport, but good visibility and beautiful elsewhere at 10, so it feels just like spring minus the rainfall deficit. We're only at 25% of normal rainfall for the year. All right, so the visibility forecast does show visibility is down to about 1 to 4 miles around 1 a.m. and then holding at that level through 7 a.m. So some fog tonight. It won't be as bad as last night, though, because the wind will be in play here. All right, let's take a look at our evening forecast. It's 80 right now in Corpus Christi, 75 about an hour from now, upper 60s at midnight, and we'll hold in the upper 60s because of a moderate breeze. Last night it was down around 5 miles an hour. Tonight it's going to be more like 10 to 12. All the way through daybreak. So unseasonably mild temperatures running over 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. All right, very warm across Texas. We got a little bit of a break here, but look at the moisture that's coming into our region. So clouds will be coming back a little bit tomorrow, but more so as we get into Friday and the weekend. Mild temperatures even all the way through the Midwest with this warm, muggy flow coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. We got a break in our weather today because this ridge of high pressure built back over us and it steered that moisture with the main part of the jet stream up to the north a little bit. That's coming in from this low out here off of Baja, California, and it's just sitting there bringing that southwesterly flow into the region, and over time it weakens and moves northeast, and a new one drops in to replace it here Sunday and Monday. So this means more wind for the coastal bend and very little in the way of relief from the cloud cover and the oppressive humidity that's setting in. And that'll generate clouds. You can see that in the morning. We get some breaks in the overcast though tomorrow afternoon, so we will see the sun again tomorrow, but not so much on area beaches. By 6 o'clock on Friday, again, cloudy on area beaches, but inland the sun does come out. The winds, well, they're going to be breezy at night. They do settle down at night and they pick up during the day, and eventually it's going to get windy here too. 68 in the morning, 76 at noon, and 82 at 5 p.m. Warm and humid. And on the windy side tomorrow, we're going to have a high of 86 with temperatures reaching 90 inland, but only 72 on area beaches. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. 83 on Friday and windy, warm and humid throughout the period. Isolated showers on Monday, but too windy for any significant rain all the way through St. Patty's Day on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
I'm feeling it. All right. Thanks, Dale.